Ever found yourself tirelessly scrubbing at stubborn dirt and grime on the bathroom tiles, kitchen counters, or even muddy shoes, only to question if there was a quicker and more effective way to do it? With countless cleaning gadgets coming out that all claim to be the next big thing, are there any that are actually innovative and functional? In this Synoshi review, I'll be analysing the capabilities of this popular power spin scrubber that claims to be a revolutionary addition to your cleaning arsenal. But the question remains, does the Synoshi truly stand apart from the plethora of cleaning gadgets in the market, or is it just another useless addition to the ever-growing list of overhyped devices? Let's uncover the truth. But if you have already made up your mind about getting Synoshi and you just want to get it for the absolute cheapest price, then at any time, simply click the link in the description. Okay, let's get straight into the pros of this cleaning device. Efficiency. The Synoshi Spin Power Scrubber is incredibly effective at handling a variety of cleaning tasks. Whether it's the grime on bathroom tiles or the stubborn dirt on the porch, the scrubber's spinning brush worked its magic, eliminating the need for strenuous scrubbing. The fact that it can replace multiple cleaning tools and be used on various surfaces shows its versatility and will save you both time and effort. Portability. One of the standout features for me was its lightweight and cordless design. Gone are the days of dragging heavy cleaning equipment around or dealing with tangled wires. With Synoshi, cleaning became a breeze, be it in the kitchen, bathroom, or even outdoors. Its compact design means you can carry it almost anywhere. User-friendly. Navigating the Synoshi's functions felt intuitive. The indicators like the change of light from red to green when fully charged or the ease of switching between low and high spin settings were straightforward. Even for those that are not tech savvy, this cleaning device is a piece of cake to operate. Versatility. The ability to attach different brushes allows for tailored cleaning depending on the surface. And if you're dealing with a particularly stubborn stain, you can apply a small amount of detergent and let the spinning brush do the heavy lifting. The Synoshi adapts seamlessly, becoming an all-in-one cleaning solution. Okay, let's check out the cons of this product. Operation time. There is only one real negative I found about Synoshi, and that is its runtime. On a full charge, it will work for up to 45 minutes. Now, for most people, this could be adequate, but if you want to use it for a big cleaning project, like for instance, if you're moving houses and want to do a full cleanup, this runtime could be an issue, so keep this in mind. Overall, the Synoshi Power Spin Scrubber is a must-have device for meticulous household cleaning. Its powerful torque ensures grime and dirt are tackled effectively. Being cordless and with its fast rechargeable battery, uninterrupted cleaning sessions become a breeze. The versatility of brush attachments caters to just about all surfaces. Lastly, its ergonomic design promises user comfort and ease, elevating the overall cleaning experience. Now, if you want to get Synoshi at the cheapest possible price, then click the link below this YouTube video in the description and you'll be taken to the best place to purchase it. Or you can instead type the following URL into your web browser, habitcast.com/Synoshi. I hope you enjoyed this Synoshi review and thanks again for watching.